The release of LEED v5 marks a seismic shift in green building, not just another update, but a radical realignment of what it means to build sustainably. This is an incremental change. This is a full-on sprint toward climate resilience, material transparency, and performance accountability. For building product manufacturers, the stakes have never been higher or the opportunities more urgent. Large manufacturers with deep pockets have the luxury of aggressively targeting multiple LEED v5 credit categories, like investing in Cradle-to-Cradle certification. But for small to mid-sized manufacturers, the path to specification can feel like a locked door guarded by high costs and technical complexity. Fortunately, there are 4 practical, high-impact strategies that don't require Fortune 500 budgets, just smart, focused investment. Sustainability shouldn't be reserved for the biggest players. Small and mid-sized manufacturers deserve a seat at the LEED v5 table, because innovation doesn't only come from those with the biggest budgets. An environmental product declaration, also known as an EPD, is a third-party verified report that quantifies the environmental impact of a product throughout its life cycle, including its carbon footprint. Nearly 50% of the credit weightings in LEED v5 are related to embodied carbon. If you develop a product-specific Type 3 EPD, you increase your product specification opportunities substantially. EPDs allow manufacturers to contribute to the LEED v5 building product selection and procurement credit, the reduced embodied carbon credit, and many more. EPDs are the most expensive strategy on this list, although costs have decreased over the past few years. If EPDs are out of reach due to cost or complexity, consider starting with a health product declaration. Also known as an HPD, it's more affordable, simpler to create, and faster to complete. When you allocate the budgetary dollars in the future, you can invest in EPDs. A health product declaration is a standardized report that discloses the materials and chemical ingredients in a building product, along with associated health hazards, allowing architects and specifiers to make informed choices about material safety and transparency. The HPD is the most requested sustainability document in the construction industry. Perkins & Will Smith Group, JJR, HKS, ZGF, and other significant AEC firms encourage building product manufacturers to provide HPDs to be considered for product specification. Manufacturers who provide HPDs will be given preference over manufacturers that don't comply with these requests. HPDs contribute to the LEED v5 building product selection and procurement credit, and can also contribute to WELL and the Living Building Challenge. Specifiers are asking what's in your product, and if you don't have an HPD, your silence speaks volumes. If your product can't tell its health story, don't expect architects to write it into theirs. Companies like Elixir Environmental are an HPDC-approved preparer and can help manufacturers develop HPDs, declare labels, and LEED documentation. A simple and cost-effective way for manufacturers to get their products specified in LEED v5 is by conducting VOC emissions testing. Paints, coatings, adhesives, sealants, flooring, walls, ceilings, insulation, furniture, and composite wood products that meet the criteria can contribute to the low-emitting materials credit. Products must demonstrate testing and compliance according to the California Department of Public Health standard method. Manufacturers should seriously consider pursuing the LEED v5 low-emitting materials credit because it offers a straightforward and low-cost path to getting their products specified on green building projects. Among the various LEED credits, this one stands out for its relatively simple requirements: VOC emissions testing, which can often be completed quickly and affordably. By meeting these criteria, manufacturers not only align with a key sustainability priority in LEED, but also increase the visibility and appeal of their products to architects and specifiers focused on healthier indoor environments. It's a small investment that can open doors to large-scale projects, brand differentiation, and long-term market relevance. Manufacturers have a unique opportunity to position themselves as thought leaders by developing GBCI-approved education courses for LEED professionals. With over 100,000 accredited LEED professionals required to complete continuing education to maintain their credentials, there's a built-in audience actively looking for high-quality, relevant content. By creating a course that focuses on LEED while also showcasing how their products support those goals, manufacturers can educate specifiers in a meaningful, credible way. Podcasts are one of the cheapest and most effective ways to reach design professionals, typically 70% less expensive than traditional courses. Manufacturers who invest in LEED education content aren't just teaching, they're building trust, brand awareness, and long-term specifier relationships. You want to reach the decision makers? We make that happen, direct, strategic, and results-driven. Stop hoping to be noticed. Start getting specified. We connect you to the people who matter. You don't need more leads, you need the right ones. We put you in front of the actual decision makers. If you're a manufacturer looking to develop an HPDs, declare labels, LEED documentation, or a LEED-focused education course, Elixir Environmental is your go-to partner. We specialize in helping building product manufacturers navigate the complex world of green building standards and certifications. From technical documentation to strategic education outreach, Elixir Environmental helps you get specified by the people who matter most. Ready to stand out in sustainable design? Contact us today.